The family is involved in every aspect of the church. So being a part of this work meant that I had the ability to contribute, to think deeply about what it means to empower families, to do good work, and to be who they are and who God has called them to be in the world.
When I heard what the Empowering Families program was doing, I was super excited to be involved. We need a more holistic approach, family-oriented approach to faith formation and to education.
Here, I got to see a lot of the work that Campbell University's Divinity School is doing. I was encouraged by the way we were pouring into the families, the care and the love and the value for each individual person, and so I knew that was something that I wanted to be a part of.
We pitched it to our church, and it was very eagerly accepted, and I think knowing who was going to be in charge on this retreat and in this program, we trust Campbell University. We know they're going to take care of us and take care of our families, and it was something that made it a really easy yes and an exciting thing for us to look forward to.
At Campbell University Divinity School, they're training up the next generation of ministry leaders, who in turn are going to be training up the next generation in our churches.
In Divinity School, we're learning these things, but you have to put it into practice. And we have to make sure that we're putting it into good practice. It's not just, hey, let's do the same thing we've always done. Maybe that works for us, or maybe we need to find out how to pray with Play-Doh or balls or movements or something.
I think that is a work that a lot of ministries are not doing. And I think that it's important that we are able to focus on those students in those developmental ages.
Whether they are very little or very old, all of them will go on a journey of faith, and it is the role of the minister to be alongside of them. And your job in Divinity School is to prepare to be there with them. So engaging in work and research like this helps Divinity School students know and experience those things before they are in a church.
This has given me the opportunity to work with families and to empower them to work with their children, which will in turn help me go back to my church and my community and help them do the same.
It's those small moments of consistent connection, and if I can help facilitate those as a minister in my future, that is everything. That helps empower families, that helps them keep going in the faith. It passes down this long story that we're all a part of.
We have to be a little bit more creative in how we do things, and that's going to take a little bit more work, but it's also worth it. Because you see so often our kids connecting in a deeper and more meaningful way here than sometimes they do at church, but finding ways that we can fit what we're learning here into our context.
It has encouraged me to take breaks, to take breathers, to have fun, to be grateful for the simple things of life.
It has made me feel ready to go out into the world to do the work of ministry in a way that's sustainable and real and grounded in what it means to be a person who loves Christ and loves other people.